when when I'm searching the power supply solution and looking for the battery cells, I got the chance to think about what's consumer product. Yes, this is consumer product, consumer electronics. That you can see, we have old power bank. It output micro USB. It charged by micro USB, output by USB, standard USB, but it cannot offer as much as speed, recharging speed. This one, the small one, orange one, it can give 20 watts during recharging. This is same, and it uses for 700 battery cells, and each this kind of cells, it weight over 2 ounces. It's about 20 grams, and offer 5,000 milliamps. The voltage is same as 18650 cells. So this is consumer electronics that because the industry and market pushing the technology evolves, and people going to be pushed to drop off their old power banks. The drawback is it's kind of it's going to be dumped to the environment. It's a kind of pollution, but the meaning of consumer electronics is people have to drop off the old things because technology moved advanced, and the old devices is going to be dumped and the new version come. For example, the PD, the power deliver protocol. The PD is a kind of standard USB technology protocol, and it's going to be 200 watts. Currently, this shabby cheap box, the power bank set, it uses 2 cell. Yes, we have 2 cell and 4 cell, different weight solution, different weight option. It gives 20 watts, and I believe it already exists, and the product should be finished, and selling in the market is 200 instead of this 20 watts. So this is consumer electronics that for engineers it's not necessary, it's not good to design something that can stand for 10 years. It's 2 years, because after 2 years you get new technology, you get new protocol, new version of it. Because it's consumable, it means people are going to do it. People are going to afford it. The battery bank, the power bank is at the bottom of the whole market. It's considerably cheap comparing to iPhones, iPad, laptops. It's at the bottom of the supply chains, and so tons of it got dropped every year. The industry gave us basically 3 types of power charging protocol. PD means power delivery charger. It's USB standard. It's mostly about Type-C USB cable, and QC means quick charge. It's from Qualcomm, so it's going to be a long-term standard. And PPS means programmable power supply. And we have some boards, circuit board. Basically, they already converted to PD, power delivering protocol. And the output of these two boards, this one and this one, they are capable of output over 20 watts. And the difference between these two boxes, the orange one and the blue one, is that the blue one uses 4 cells, and the orange one, it uses 2 cells, because the weight of each cell of this 2700 lithium battery cell, it weighs quite over 2 ounces, nearly 70 grams. So for 1 day or half days charging requirement, the power bank can be using 2 cells. And for heavy usage, people can use 4 cells. I'm testing those parts to see the difference and choose a good solution for our project. You can see this charger. This charger is from Vivo. It offers 80 watts, the peak charging capacity. So it's already a PD protocol. The peak current, the peak power output, is reached by 20 watts and 4 amps in max. So the total output is 80 watts. Okay. This is different power bank solution. This one has another option. You can see if we remove the cell, you can see there is a wireless charging pad. It means it has coils that people can implement the wireless power bank. It has wireless power, and the output, the interface is a little bit. They have many parts: 2 USB, one in green and one in red, USB 3, and USB Type-C as input and output, Apple's interface, and micro USB in the middle.